Can an LLC do a solo 401k? Yes, an LLC can establish and contribute to a solo 401k plan, provided it meets the eligibility requirements. A solo 401k, also known as an individual 401k, is designed for self-employed individuals or small business owners with no employees, other than possibly a spouse. Here's how it works. 1. Eligibility requirements. Business structure: the LLC can be a single-member LLC, multi-member LLC, or even taxed as an S or C corporation. No employees. The business must have no full-time employees working 1,000 plus hours per year other than the owner, EDS, and possibly their spouse. Earned income. The LLC must generate earned income, as contributions are based on this income. 2. Setting up a solo 401k. Step 1. Select a plan provider. Choose a financial institution that offers solo 401k plans with the features you need, such as Roth options or loan provisions. Step 2. Complete plan documents. Draft and adopt a plan document provided by your chosen provider to establish the solo 401k. Step 3. Open a solo 401k account. Open the account in the name of the LLC or the owner, depending on your LLC's tax treatment. Step 4. Contribute to the plan. Make contributions from LLC income, ensuring you adhere to IRS limits. Step 5. File IRS Form 5500-0EZ. If the plan's assets exceed $250,000, file Form 5500-0EZ annually.